much do I actually have to disclose about my cancer if I'm in remission 5 years plus and discharged from hospital?
You have to provide the insurance company full disclosure.
Right.
You get quite a detailed application form asking all your medical history. As soon as you've wrote on the application form that you've had cancer, it immediately to them means they will approach for a doctor's report.
Yeah.
So they're going to get your full medical history anyway. If you mention if something's occurred in your history, your medical history, and you've not put an application form, they could refuse you life insurance. They could also, if they refuse you life insurance, you've then got to disclose with every other company that you've been refused life insurance,
Right.
and that goes against your ability to get it elsewhere because they'll wonder why you've been refused it. So it's better to have full disclosure at the application process. Another problem could occur if you've omitted something on your application form and you've died, and it's because of something you've omitted, they won't run the claim.
Yeah.
And it brings more concern for your family at an already concerning time, and it's just something that could have been avoided by full disclosure.
I see. Will I still have to pay a higher premium if my cancer is cured and I'm not at any higher risk than somebody who's never had cancer?
Again, it goes back down to the risk you pose to the life insurance company.
Right, yeah.
They have certain timescales where they feel you are more of a risk than when you're in remission. So although you might say 5 years and the type of cancer you have and the level of reoccurrence might still be high, so they might have set a different timescale than 5 years, and then they will impose a higher premium initially until that period's ended, until you're about the same level of risk as a the person who has had cancer is. So you will then get a high premium initially, and then it will steady out and go back to a standard rate, what we call. Yes.
Yeah. Is there an option to not specifically include cancer on a policy?
Well, that kind of goes against the reason to take life insurance out.
Right.
You take life insurance out to provide some sort of financial comfort to loved ones that are leaving behind. If you've had cancer and you went through that, you kind of face your own mortality once you've had cancer. So you're already kind of planning what's going to happen.
Yeah.
If you were to exclude that quite a significant illness from your insurance, then you would have paid for quite a non-valuable asset because you've paid for something you've not really got the value from at the end.
Yeah.
With medical insurance, you are able to have certain exclusions like that. But with life cover, they can't exclude that, because if you've had cancer, it may have affected you elsewhere. So you can't really rule out that was the reason for your death. So life insurances tend not to exclude illnesses, and again, if they were to, it would just take away the valuable reason for taking out cover in the first place.